The next topic that we're going to look at is the topic of expected value. Expected value is found a lot of places, but primarily you're going to find expected value in terms of gambling situations. Also, like any raffles or anything like that would also have expected value. Expected value is the average gain or loss. The average gain or loss if an event is repeated many times. It is really important that you grasp the concept that expected value is a long-term proposition. It's not about what happens in the short term. I fully understand that in the short term, you could theoretically walk up to the blackjack table at a casino and you could win $100 the first time that you played the game. However, over the long haul, expected value is what you would expect to gain or lose every time you played if you played similar hands over and over and over again. Okay, so it's not about a one-time thing. It's about, like, think of it as maybe every player that goes up to the table, what the average gain or loss is if they played under the same circumstances every time. So let's start with an example that's pretty simple. Okay, so Jack's brother Biff is looking to make some quick cash. And so he tells Jack he can pay 50 cents to roll a single die. If he rolls a 1, then Biff is going to pay his little brother $1. And if he doesn't roll a 1, then Biff is going to keep Jack's 50 cents. So Jack, not being very bright, says, "That's awesome. I'm going to play because I'm going to win." So the probability that Jack wins this game with a single roll of the die is 1 out of 6. Okay, that's the chance that he's going to win, get to be paid $1 by his brother. And the probability he'll lose is 5/6, because if he rolls a 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, then his brother's going to keep his money. Every time Jack loses, he loses 50 cents. But if Jack wins, he gains, and be careful here, he gains 50 cents, because remember, he did pay 50 cents to play. So when he gets $1, his actual gain is 50 cents. So if Jack wins 50 cents 1/6 of the time, then on average, he's going to win 1/6 of 50 cents, or in other words, about 0.083 cents for every game he plays. That's what he's going to win, okay? And if he loses 50 cents 5/6 of the time, then on average, he's going to have 5/6 times a loss, so a negative 50 cents, which is a loss of 41.6 cents per play. So on average, he's going to win 8.3 cents, but lose 41.6 cents, on average. So overall, he's going to expect to have 8.3 plus that loss of 41.6 cents, or in other words, a loss of about 33 cents per game. Okay, so Jack will lose 33 cents per game on average every time he plays. And that's what expected value is. Expected value is found by multiplying the outcome by the probability of that outcome. Each outcome generally is going to be told to us in terms of like dollars and cents. It's going to be about winning or losing a game. So in the next video, we're going to actually do some examples and show you how this works.